In this video, we're going to walk through exactly how to recognize prepayments in Xero, a critical step in managing your accounting processes. Whether you're a small business owner or just learning Xero, understanding how to handle prepayments can save you time and confusion. Stick with me and I'll show you how to do it the right way. First, let's quickly cover what a prepayment is. A prepayment is money that a customer pays you in advance before the goods or services are delivered. These can show up on your Xero balance sheet as liabilities until the service or product is delivered. Once it's delivered, you recognize the prepayment as income. It's important to track these properly to ensure your financial reports are accurate. Now, let's jump into Xero. To recognize prepayments, you'll need to start with the correct accounting method. Log into your Xero account and head to the Accounts menu where you'll find a section for prepayments. It's important that you're using Xero's built-in functionality for tracking prepayments, which ensures everything is recorded correctly. Once you're in the Prepayments section, select the invoice that corresponds to the prepayment you've received. You can record the payment as an invoice or as a credit note. The key here is that you must link it to a liability account, which ensures that the amount stays off your revenue until the service is provided. For example, you could use an account called prepaid income or unearned revenue. After you've recorded the prepayment, you'll want to set up a journal entry to match the prepayment with the future service delivery. This is where you'll allocate a portion of the prepayment to income when it's earned. Xero makes this step simple with its journal entry feature, so you can transfer the prepayment to the correct income account automatically. One thing to remember is that prepayments must be recognized at the time they're earned. This means once the product is delivered or the service is performed, you should create a transaction to transfer the prepayment to your revenue account. Now, if you're unsure about tracking these transactions correctly or have multiple prepayments for different projects, Xero allows you to set up recurring billing. This feature is great for businesses that deal with regular repeat customers because it automatically generates invoices for prepayments, so you don't have to worry about manual entries. Also, make sure you're keeping an eye on your reports. The prepayment should show up correctly in your balance sheet until you recognize it as income. This allows you to see at a glance how much of your income is still tied up in prepayments and how much has been recognized as actual revenue. If you're new to Xero, it can feel like a lot to get the hang of, but don't worry. Xero's dashboard and reporting features will help guide you. You can also use the help section if you ever get stuck. It's pretty easy to track prepayments once you understand the system, and it will make a big difference in how well your business runs financially. If you're ready to dive in and get hands-on with Xero, you can use this software for free by clicking the link in the description below. You'll also get access to exclusive bonuses that will help speed up your learning curve and make your business more efficient. To recap, recognizing prepayments in Xero is about using the right accounts, recording payments as invoices or credit notes, and transferring those prepayments to income once the service is performed. This way, you'll always have accurate financial reports that reflect the true state of your business. Make sure to take advantage of the extended free trial available through the link below so you can experience these features for yourself and streamline your accounting processes. Happy accounting!